Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome to the science class by me, Cikgu Roni. Now, this is for year 2, part 1. There will be 2 parts for this week's lesson. The first part is this, but before that, we shall recite Doa. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. So we shall continue with our lesson, that is to identify ingredients to make a Play-Doh. Do you know what is a Play-Doh? Play-Doh dalam bahasa Melayu tanah liat, yang boleh kita buat bentuk-bentuk. Now, what we need to do is you just watch how I make Play-Doh from a few ingredients. Now, making a Play-Doh, we shall start with this. If you can see here, this is my hand. So there are a few ingredients that we need to make a Play-Doh. One is tepung jagung, corn flour. Corn flour. Okay, we need that. That's the first one. The second one is white glue. And the third ingredient is oil, minyak. So what I prepared here is tepung jagung, a little tepung jagung, tak payah banyak, buat sikit-sikit. And then I shall pour glue. Okay, a little glue. And then with my spoon, I shall mix this together. Mix dulu tepung jagung, corn flour, and glue. Dah cukup, tambah lagi. If you want to do this at home, you may ask from your mother. Kalau mama suruh, baru boleh buat. Kalau mama dah suruh, jangan. Minta tolong ibu-ibu kalau mau. You don't need to do this at home. Indah buat pun indah apa-apa, no worries. But if you want to, it would be a good experience. Okay. Now di sini the flour is started to stick together. Mula melekat flour. Okay. Now remember, bukan untuk dimakan. Ini untuk eksperimen saja. So bila yang melekat, anda dia boleh terlampau melekat, not too sticky. Cukup macam ni, yang lekat saja tak doa. But not too sticky, dah dicap keras sikit. See, not too sticky. Yang buzzer. Now it become harder and harder. See. Now, if you can see here, it's not that sticky. The texture, if it sticks on your finger, maksudnya kalau lekat di jari, maksudnya terlampau banyak tepung, terlampau banyak gum, too much glue. But this one, see, not sticky, so this is good enough. So the next step is to add a little oil. Sedikit minyak and mix it together. What happens is when you add oil, the dough just now becomes softer. You can use baby oil, yes. Other oil I'm not sure, but usually for this experiment we use cooking oil, minyak untuk masak. You can use that. Baby oil pun boleh. So we fold it again and again, lagi dan lagi. Okay, almost there. If you can see here, hampir siap. Now, see, it's not sticky. It is soft, not too sticky. And this is a homemade Play-Doh. Jadi Play-Doh lembut. Okay. And you can also add color if you want. 1 drops or 2 drops is good enough. 1 titik, 2 titik pewarna. Boleh campur pakai pewarna kuih atau pun boleh. And ia akan tukar warna. Okay, we shall pause here for a moment. Ya, macam mana ini? Okay, pause in a moment while I'm washing my hand. Okay, now from the video that I've shown just now, we have tried to make a Play-Doh using 3 simple ingredients. Now, what are the ingredients? We used flour, corn flour, tepung jagung, white glue, and a little oil. Now, how do we do it? We mix flour with white glue, campur sikit until it mix well, not too sticky, hingga melekat ke jari. That is good enough. And then add oil, a little oil, campur sedikit minyak until the mixture does not stick, until it is soft. It does not stick to finger. and it is soft macam Play-Doh. Sikit saja, sikit saja. You can add color to make it much colorful. There are many recipes in the internet, but this is one of the easiest. You can try it at home if you want. If you cannot, it's okay. So we need 3 ingredients to make Play-Doh. We need flour, white glue, and oil. So thank you for watching, and we shall continue with part 2 of week 31 science year 2. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.